Welcome viewer, this is Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to boot from USB using VMware Workstation. Click which operating system you wish to boot with USB. Edit virtual machine settings. Click hard disk. Press add button. Press next. Select SCSI. Press next. Select use a physical disk, for advanced user. Press next. Press start button. Type CMD in search bar. Right click mouse button, click run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select your USB drive. Click next button. Click VM power option, select power on firmware. Select boot menu. Then change the boot order. VMware Virtual SCSI Hard Drive 0.1 is the USB drive. We can move to front to boot. Select exit saving changed. Click yes. Press any key to boot from USB. Press any key to enter to boot USB drive. Thanks for watching. This video was helpful. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.